Welcome to the demo of Bajaj Classic 750 mixer and grinder. The Bajaj Classic 750 has a powerful motor of 750 watts which helps in grinding tough ingredients easily. With pulse function, you can quickly process the ingredients before you start blending them. Classic 750 comes along with 3 jars, a grinding jar, liquidizing jar and a chutney jar. The Classic 750 has 3 different blades such as chutney blade, liquidizing blade and a blade for dry grinding. Wet or dry grinding. This jar serves the need of pureeing or blending. For palak puree, fill the jar with fresh leaves of palak. Then cover the jar with dome assembly and turn the mixer on. Keep going till the desired consistency is achieved. And the puree of fresh palak is ready. Liquidizing jar. The liquidizing jar helps in making favorite shakes and lassi. Place the jar onto the main unit. Add the pieces of chopped chicos to make the chiku milkshake. Add milk. Make sure the dome assembly is locked properly. Turn the mixer on. And in few minutes the milkshake will be ready. Enjoy the chilled milkshake on a hot summer afternoon. Chutney jar. This jar is used generally for grinding all the dry spices to make a special blend of homemade masalas. Slide in the necessary ingredients to make coriander chutney. Cover the jar with dome assembly. Turn on the mixer and your masala will be ready soon. The new Bajaj Classic 750 is here to make your cooking easy and your food delicious. Explore Bajaj Classic 750 and make something awesome today.